Hey everyone, for today's video, I'll teach you how to use ChatGPT in another account because if you're on this video then I'm sure it's not available in your country. So I'm gonna teach you ways on how to fix it. With this tutorial, you will finally be able to use ChatGPT. So the first step or the first solution, let's just go to App Store and then go to search and just find simple VPNs. Doesn't have to be paid. All you have, all you need is just a working VPN that actually works, because some they don't help at all, and you need to pay for them to actually do what they're supposed to. So if this doesn't work, try doing our second solution, which is using another country's number. So basically, let me explain. For example, you're in Singapore and ChatGPT is not allowed. I'm not sure if that's true, but this is just an example. So let's say it's not allowed in Singapore, but if you use a number from Indonesia, then maybe it's allowed in Indonesia, then you will be able to use ChatGPT in Singapore without using a Singapore number and instead using a Indonesian number, if that made sense to you. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.